Okay, freelancers. Yeah, let's check freelancers. Great, freelancers. So these are like five things that we're able to list and say, okay, top five things that freelancers would need Notion AI for. So they can use it to optimize their LinkedIn profile or their social media profile, or your portfolio rather, portfolio. You can close more sales with clients, create an effective sales funnel to acquire clients. You can stay consistent on social media. You can build your personal brand. Okay, let's start with stay consistent on social media. So let's try something. Let me delete this one and create another page, a new page for these guys. So Adija, right?
Yes, please.
Okay, great. I think you're a freelancer, are you? Am I correct?
Yeah, I used to be a virtual assistant.
Oh, great. Notion AI is the perfect tool for virtual assistants. Actually, it helps you to work faster and deliver faster. So, create a social media. I need ideas. Social media content. Create social media. Create 30 social media content ideas for a freelancer who is into what? Let's say
Social media management.
social media management. Great. 30. 30 was too long. Why did I say 30? Okay. I just said 30 because I wanted to show you that Notion can give you 1000 actually if you want 1000. So this is done. So you have 30 social media content ideas and wow. So let's now look at top 10 tips for creating successful social media campaigns. Let me ask Notion to create a content for this. Create 5 social media content for this idea. Here are 5 social media content ideas related to creating successful social media campaigns. Share a case study of a successful social media campaign you managed and highlight the key factors that contributed to its success. Create and share a checklist for planning and executing this. So you see, 5. If I ask you to make this 10, make this 10. It will make it 10. Okay. Did I say 10? Okay, sure. Here are 5 more. Okay, I added 5 more. Make this a total of 10. Let me see if it's going to give me 10. No, it's giving me 5 more. Okay, let me go back. Try again and turn this to 10. Yeah, it has given me 10. So you see, I'll insert this below. Put this in bullet points. Let me see. Yes. So I don't want to mix up the numbers. So yeah, bullet points. So you see, it's here. So that's on creating social media content ideas for a freelancer. We just created for one now without going to do research, without going to Google or wherever ChatGPT to do research.